Our recipe for today is the Filipino Kakanin Pitchi. We will be needing 1 cup raw grated cassava. I use a cheese grater. So this is the cassava or kamoteng kahoy. So you just peel, then grate. Remove the roots or any hard part. 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of water. 1 teaspoon of salt. Grated cheese for coating our pitchi. You can also use grated fresh mature coconut and oil for greasing our pans. For the equipments, we will be needing our steamer, our puto cups or pans, our grater, and brush. A big bowl to mix everything in. Into it, we'll add our cassava, sugar, salt, water. So we will just mix everything until the sugar and salt is dissolved. We will now grease our puto cups or pans. So this is 1 tablespoon of our mixture. Steam for 30 minutes. Cool before removing. If you remove it hot, there is likelihood that it will get deformed. I topped with grated cheese and powdered milk. For our flavored pitchi, into our bowl we will mix all the ingredients. My flavors are coconut, and to these I will add green food color for identification, milk, this will be the plain one, powdered milk for coating is an option, ube, and this is clear so I will be adding violet, although for the other brands they have food coloring in them. Again, we just mix our ingredients. I didn't add salt as it may compete with our flavors, but you may do so. I'll divide into 3 for our 3 flavors. So I'll just add a few drops of our flavorings. This is the milk, the ube or purple yam, and food color as well. and the coconut. So I'll just portion this into our puto cups. Don't forget to grease with oil. Then we steam for 30 minutes. And these are my jewel-toned Pitchi. I do hope you enjoyed making this for your family. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.